Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the structure present inside heart, that is SA node and AV node. This one is the SA node. SA node is also known as sinoatrial node or pacemaker. It is present in right auricle where the superior vena cava opens. Now the function of SA node is to create impulses to for the contraction of auricle. Now, SA node is not able to create impulses to send it to ventricular region. That's why we have another node that is called AV node or auriculoventricular node. This auriculoventricular node is present near the tricuspid valve and the interauricular septum. Interauricular septum और tricuspid valve के बीच में होता है. They took information or they took impulses from the SA node and transmit these impulses to ventricular region. In ventricular region, they first enter into the interventricular septum, and these fibers are also known as interventricular fibers or bundle of His. Now, they will further divided into right and left side of the fibers, and these right and left side of the fibers further divided into Purkinje fibers. These Purkinje fibers are connected with the papillary muscles to allow the contraction into the ventricular region. Now papillary muscles are present in this region. Here we have papillary muscles. These are the papillary muscles, and these papillary muscles are connected with the Purkinje fiber, so they can allow contraction in ventricular region. So ventricular region can transmit blood to a pulmonary artery or aorta from the respective chambers. Now, these are chordae tendineae. What is chordae tendineae? Chordae word is originate from the cord-like structure or thread-like structure. Tendineae is the tendons that is which connect muscles. Now here these chordae tendineae connects tricuspid valve or bicuspid valve here with the papillary muscles. ये papillary muscles से इस तरीके से connected होते हैं. जैसे हम लोग भांगड़ा में कैंची यूज़ करते हैं ना, तो इधर से ये आपके chordae tendineae है, and from here papillary muscles are there. They form this interjections, so they can together work and regulate the opening and closing of tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve. Now look, go through this video. This is the SA node, sinoatrial node. It has created the impulses, and now these impulses will transmit to right auricle as well as to the left auricle, which allow contraction in auricular region. From here, they will transmit impulses to atrioventricular node, that is the AV node, and AV node will transmit these impulses to interventricular region or interventricular septum, and this interventricular septum, you can look in the diagram video that impulses are ready to transmit from AV node to interatrioventricular bundles which are present on interventricular septum. They are known as atrioventricular bundle because they connects auricle and ventricle. They are also known as bundle of His. Now from here the impulse will transmit towards the right side as well as towards the left side. These impulses are required for the contraction of right and left ventricles. So it will divide into right and left bundle branches. We may call it right and left bundle of His. Now impulse is transmitted towards the right side as well as towards the left side. And in the right side and the left side, these bundle branches will further branch into Purkinje fibers. So Purkinje fibers are the branches of bundle of His. Now Purkinje fibers will transmit impulses to entire ventricular region, which allow ventricle to contract so they can power the blood to respective vessels. Now look in the diagram. Impulse transmit auricle to ventricle, ventricle contract, transmit the blood to pulmonary artery, valves of pulmonary artery open, that is semilunar valve, allow the blood to enter into pulmonary vein. And when left ventricle contracts, it transmits blood to aorta, semilunar valves open and allow blood to transmit into the entire body. You can notice that chordae tendineae they are connected with tricuspid and bicuspid valve attached with the papillary muscles, helps in opening and closing of tricuspid and bicuspid valve respectively. So in this video, we understood that SA node, AV node, Purkinje fibers, bundle of His, chordae tendineae position and their importance. So what is the basic importance? Now look in this diagram and go for some of the labelings. This is right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, chordae tendineae, papillary muscles, superior vena cava, aorta. Now blood from this right ventricle enter into pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary semilunar valve which is in the open position. Allow blood to transmit it to lungs. From lungs, blood enter into left auricle, put pressure on bicuspid valve. This with the help of chordae tendineae, it opens and allow blood to enter into left ventricle. From here, blood enter into aorta. These are the semilunar valve. Right now it is closed. And from here, it will transmit blood to the entire body. I hope with this video, you will understand the location and function of SA node and AV node. Just have a short recap. SA node is present on right auricle where the superior vena cava opens and transmit information to AV node which is present near the tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve send the information to bundle of His. His is the name of the scientist and which transmit the information to Purkinje fibers. And Purkinje fibers allow the information to transmit the information or impulse to ventricle. So ventricle can contract and send blood to pulmonary artery or aorta as per the requirement or from wherever the chamber is there. I hope from this video it is clear. So take care. Goodbye.